Now, how to use this application here like a pro. Stay tuned. So here, this is the home screen of the application. This application is pretty much a chatbot. We can talk to a bunch of anime characters, bunch of people you can just talk with. As you can see here, you can talk with girls here, you can talk with boys. As you can see here as well, if I tap on this option here, you can also tap on the play button here. Some of them you may even hear their voice. Let's say for example this one here, and you see, you're not gonna hear any voice from that one. Well, you get the drift, guys. So you can talk with any one of these chatbots that you like to talk to. Let me just tap on this one here.
Hello, cutie. What are you gonna do today?
As you can see there, you can just tap on the play button here to pretty much hear their voice. And as well, you can tap on their profile at the top here and pretty much see how much creators are talking with, how much they have talked with, memories, and pretty much everything, guys. You can also give them a follow if you want to, keep track of these AI chatbots here. At the top here are the 3 dots you can share with your friends and families. So how do you talk with them? All you have to do is just tap on the message box down here. You can enter anything, you can upload a picture. If you don't have anything in mind that you want to ask or want to say, you can tap on the bell icon here and it will just give you ideas of what you can ask the chatbot or what you can speak with the chatbot here. So nothing much, as you can see here. It will just give you a reply, and you can also tap on.
I was gonna go get some food. Wanna come with me?
As you can see there, you can also play their voice if I don't want to read. So that's pretty much it for that. There, you can also send a voice note as well, not just pictures. You can send a voice note real time. They will definitely understand and reply to you. So very, very good application. And over here you have 3 dots. Nothing much, just for you to sign in so you can save your progress while talking with these AI chatbots. As well, over here you have the message section note here. This is pretty much all the message that you have sent to any chatbot at all. You will be able to see here in this section here. As you can see here, I've messaged this chatbot here as well. Down here you have pretty much likes. We have whichever chatbot you have liked, followed, subscribed to, or whatever the case is. At the top here, these are just some posts by people that are using the application, and as you can see, quite a lot of them as well. So in the following section, these are chatbot that you have followed, and yeah, that's just it. So the plus icon down here will pretty much enables you to upload as they are uploading in the community section. Nothing much for that, but you will need to log in. So if you want to post in their community section here, you're going to need to log in. Down here you see the compass looking icon. This is pretty much where you can go to find all the chatbots. You can also go ahead on the search bar and type for what you want. As you can see here, One Punch Man. You may see something for that anime character there. If you want to search here, you can search for Lucifer there as well. And here are some other top ones that other people are using. You can try to speak with those ones as well. And you have some other ones over here. So very, very easy application to use. Some of them you may need to subscribe to, so do keep that in mind. So as you can see here, a lot of them, all you have to do is scroll or type for what you want, and you're pretty much good to go. So for example, this one here, I'll have to just tap on this one here, and I can either send a voice note, add an image, anything at all just to interact with these AI chatbots. So very, very simple application as well. You can scroll across here to see other categories which you can look at to find other chat as well. So here's a famous anime character chatbot which you can as well talk with. I'm going to play.
Curses. When will you learn you're no match for me? Know your place.
As you can see here, very, very easy application. Yeah, it's kind of fun to talk with these AI chatbots that you may have the idea that there are these characters behind it, but Yeah, if I missed anything at all in this tutorial, just please comment below. I would gladly love to help you guys. And if anything, just comment below, guys. See you in the next one.